St. Vincent volcano eruption. Thousands flee as Caribbean volcano belches smoke and ash. A volcano on the South Caribbean island of St. Vincent has erupted, belching out a column of ash and smoke, forcing thousands of people to flee for safety. The St. Vincent volcano erupted on Friday, April 9th, after authorities warned of a possible imminent eruption of La Soufriere. Evacuation orders and a red alert were issued on Thursday after an increase in earthquake activity at the volcano. The country's National Emergency Management Organization warned there was a substantial prospect of disaster. An explosive eruption at about 1:41 p.m. British Summer Time, 8:41 a.m. local time, was then confirmed by experts at the University of the West Indies. The university's UA Seismic Research Group tweeted, at 8:41 a.m. this morning, September 4, 2021, an explosive eruption began at La Soufriere volcano in St. Vincent. This is a culmination of the seismic activity that began on April 8th. The eruption is ongoing and more information will be shared as things progress. Volcanic ash was seen falling on the volcano's flanks, covering communities at Chateaubriand and Petit Bordel. St. Vincent is the largest island in the country of St. Vincent and the Grenadines and is estimated to be home to some 130,000 people. Incredible video footage of La Soufriere shows the volcano spewing a thick column of ash and smoke. The video was recorded from inside of a moving car and shows the volcano's impressive plume choking out the sky. A person can be heard shouting inside of the vehicle. People living near the volcano were ordered to flee, with cruise ships ferrying evacuees to nearby islands. However, Prime Minister Ralph Gonsalves warned people would need to be vaccinated against COVID-19 to take the ferries. He said, "This is an emergency situation, and everybody understands that." The nearby islands of St. Lucia, Grenada, Antigua and Barbados have all extended a helping hand and have offered to take on the evacuees. The eruption was also seen from space and satellite imagery shared on Twitter by WCNC Charlotte meteorologist Brad Panovich shows the eruption from space. You can see the plume of ash and smoke extending from the island and over the sea towards the North Atlantic Ocean. The stratovolcano's summit marks the highest point on the island at more than 4,000 feet, 1,234 m. The volcano last erupted in 1979, although its deadliest blast occurred in 1902. The 1902 eruption, which went off on May 6th, killed some 1,680 people. Just hours later, the eruption of Mount Pelee on the island of Martinique in the West Caribbean killed 29,000 people. Thankfully, St. Vincent's residents were warned in time to prevent any loss of life in 1979. Before that, La Soufriere's eruptions were recorded in 1812 and 1718. The volcano has been showing signs of activity since December 2020. A new dome was spotted forming inside of La Soufriere's crater, and seismic activity spiked on April 8 this year, leading experts to believe an eruption was imminent.
That was